This is a popular Chinese stir-fry dish which takes only 10 minutes to make. Cut the green part of the spring onions and leave it aside. Cut the back of the shrimps like this. It helps cook more evenly and create more surface for marinating. I usually dry the shrimps a few times with kitchen towel, just so the oil won't splash when cooking. Then marinating the shrimps with salt, white pepper, and cornflour. Cornflour tenderizes the shrimps, and it also takes away the extra moisture. Crack the eggs. Season with salt, sugar, white pepper, and water. Beat until you see some foam. This is to let the egg in to form silky and fluffy egg. Put the pan on high heat, add some oil. When the oil is really hot, add shrimps. Cook until the shrimps are pink and cooled up nicely. Then take them out and pour into the egg. Add spring onions into it as well. Now put the pan on medium heat, add generous amount of oil, then pour in the egg mix. Now you are about 30 seconds away from getting it all done. When the bottom of the egg forms a thin layer, push it to the side and let the rest of the egg cook. Keep doing this until you don't see any liquid egg. Take it out immediately to avoid overcooking, and it's done.